Hi folks. Okay, we are in the 90s section, which I'm getting that 90s only has one building, building 8. We have a kind of a pretty view here. We didn't get a water view like I wanted, but we did get a top floor, which I requested. And you know, it's kind of quiet back here in the corner with these woods. And then here's our window. And we're in 8439, which we figured out is building 8, 4th floor, and then room 39. Okay, got my magic band. There we go. Okay, and we have a renovated room at Pop Century. We've already been in here, as you can see. And we opened the curtains, which I'm actually going to shut a little to keep it cool. Well, I'll open them for light right now. And then there's this luggage rack there, and then there's a clear doored mini fridge and storage. There's a drawer here with like coffee stuff in it. There's a coffee maker. We don't drink coffee, but an ice bucket. In-room pizza delivery menu, some shelves there, plugins, climate control on the wall, and then there's a trash and recycling. And this is this is like a nightstand for Ben. We picked up some maps. There's 2 USB ports and 2 regular plugs, and there's storage underneath there. This is the bed that's going to fold down to be Ben's bed. But right now it's the table and chairs. And I mean, the one disadvantage to this is you lose the table when the bed's down. But there is plenty of other places to set stuff. So our luggage is not here yet. Our luggage is coming later. They're bringing it for us. I do notice, gosh, this chair is already dinged up. I don't know if somebody, it's too bad. But anyway, so that folds down into the bed. We've got this Mickey pop art above the bed, and these lights, I'm assuming, oh, that's above that bed. This is this one. More USB ports and plugins there. I'll turn that one off. And they left us some stuff here we'll look at later. Great big huge TV, which I think turns. Yeah, it does. Turns a little bit. Storage, Bible. There's a safe, lots of shelves, and then plenty of drawer space. 3 big drawers. They raised the bed so you can fit suitcases underneath it. I don't know if I want to put my suitcase down there, but we'll see. And then there's another nightstand on the other side. There's Meg and Ben. It is not huge for floor space, though, is it?
It's still nice.
Yeah, I mean, like, compared to last time we were here, we stayed at Porter Lane's Riverside, and that was definitely more square footage. The door is a sliding door for the bathroom.
Morgan approved.
Is that Morgan approved, though? I don't know.
It's not.
Oh, no, but then there's another door to where the toilet is.
Oh.
But it's also a pocket door with a big mirror.
Ooh, nice.
It rolls.
Ah.
Okay, but you can lock it.
Ooh, wait.
So it's a pocket door that you can lock.
Ah.
And then there's a rolly shower. It's a walk-in shower, no tub, with sliding glass doors. Very smooth. I kind of like this tile. It's kind of cool. Big, huge rain shower head.
There's no.
And a secondary shower head. I like this color in here.
Yeah.
It's like a soft blue. There's an ironing board, but I don't see an iron. Where's the iron? There's a hook here to hang stuff. Oh, that comes out. That's kind of cool. So you can like extend your, and then there's the hair dryer. Ah, there's the iron. And there's extra Kleenex for us, which we'll probably need. Nice makeup mirror. Here's me. And Meg and I are twinsies today.
Yay!
Twinsies! Big sink. More storage underneath, and there's like a closet here. Kind of small, but that's okay. And there's some hooks right here. So that is our room at Pop Century. We like it. There's some people going by.
We can make a wildfire getaway.